my dear little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe. So kids, today I am taking your English class. Okay? And in our previous classes, we already learned how to write letters A to L. Okay? And today we are going to learn one new letter. Can you guess which letter we are going to learn? No? Wait, ma'am will show you. Okay? So kids, in today's English class, we are going to learn letter M. Which letter is this? Letter M. And what is the sound of letter M? Press your lips and say with me Ma. Ma. Okay? So what is the sound of letter M? Ma. Ma. Okay kids? Now kids, look here. I have some pictures which is starting from letter M. Okay? What is this kids? Can you see this? What is this? This is monkey. This is monkey. So how to pronounce it? Monkey. Monkey. M for monkey. Okay? Now see. Next picture is, what is this? Moon. M for moon. Moon. Okay? So moon is also starting from M. M. Okay? Now see. Our next picture is, this is very common. You all knows what is this? Very good. What is this? Yes, this is a mango. Okay? So mango is also starting from letter M. So speak with your ma'am. Mango. Mango. Okay? M for mango. Okay? Now see. What is this kids? Can you guess it? What is this? Yes, very good. This is a mouse. What is this? This is a mouse, and mouse is also start from letter M. Which letter? M. M for mouse. M for mouse. M for mouse. Okay? So kids, these are some pictures which are starting from letter M. Okay? So kids, I have some very interesting activity related to letter M. Okay? So you want to enjoy this activity? Yes? So come and join your ma'am. So kids, this is our today's activity. Okay? So let's start today's activity. So kids, for this activity I am taking here letter M. Okay? This is cutting of letter M. Okay? Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 circle shapes cutting. Okay? These are different in sizes. Okay? Now I have 6 paper cutting standing lines. Okay? And here I am using Fevicol. So let's start kids. What I am doing? Very first I am taking Fevicol. Okay? And I am taking here one drop. Then what you have to do? Take one big circle and paste here like this. Okay? Then take one more big circle and paste here same like this. Okay? Then again take Fevicol and take one more drop of Fevicol. Now I am taking little bit small size of circle and this I am pasting here. Okay? Again same, I am taking one small circle and this I am pasting in this big circle like this. Okay? Now what you have to do kids? Now you have to take one drop in the middle of this two slant line. Then I am taking one small circle and pasting here. Same, I am taking circle and pasting here. Okay, so now kids, I have one small circle of black paper cutting. Okay, so again you have to take one drop of Fevicol and paste this two small black color circle inside this circle like this. Okay, can you guess what we are going to make? No idea? Then wait for 2 minutes. Okay, now I have only one circle. So where I am pasting this? Here. Okay, can you see this pointed part? So you have to paste this circle here like this. Okay, now what you have to do, kids, I have some black paper of lines. So what you have to do, you have to take 1, 2, 3 drops here and 1, 2 and 3 drops here. Then what you have to do, take one string of black color, paste here. Then wait, you can see here properly. Okay, now you can see properly. So kids, like this you have to paste this black colors line here. 1, 2 and 3, and I have one more string, so I am pasting this here. Okay, same like this side, you have to paste 3 lines. Okay, now last one. So now can you guess what is this, kids? Can you guess what is this? Yes, what is this? This is M for mouse. What is this? M for mouse. So kids, are you enjoying this activity? Yes? Okay. So you can also make this at home. Okay? And send me the pics. Bye kids. So kids, now I am taking work in our book English capital letters. Okay? So you have to take out page number 40. Okay? You have to take out page number 20. And what you have to do? Very first you have to write here CW and today's date. Okay? Now say kids, what is this? This is letter M. M. Which letter is this? Letter M. And what is the sound of letter M? Ma. 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 Letter M. Okay? Now say kids, how to make letter M? Okay? So very first you have to make one standing line. Okay? You all know how to make standing line. So kids, to make letter M, you have to start from this point. Okay? From here, you have to make one standing line up to down like this. Okay? Then after this standing line, you have to make one slant line from here like this. Okay? Make slant line. Slowly come down and trace these lines like this. Then after this slant line, you have to make one more slant line down to up. Go up, up, up and stop here. Okay, and after this slant line you have to make one more standing line. Standing line from up to down like this. Okay, so like this you have to make letter M. Standing line, then up to down slant line, then down to up slant line, then one more standing line. Okay, so this is the formation of letter M. Okay, this is the formation of letter M. Now see, what is this? What is this, kids? In this picture we can see one mother and one child. Okay, and what is this? Okay, here in this picture mothers hold one cup of milk. What is this? One cup of milk. So milk is also starting from letter M. Okay, so which letter is this? Letter M. Milk. Milk. Okay, now see downside, mother. Mother. Okay, here we can see she is a mother. So mother is also starting from letter M. Mother. Mother. Okay, mother. Now see, kids, downside. What is this? Please circle the letter M and read the words aloud. Okay, so here we have some pictures starting from letter M. So what you have to do? You have to circle letter M and speak the spelling with your ma'am. Okay, so what is this? This is a monkey. What is this? Monkey. M for monkey. So what you have to do? You have to circle. Which letter is this? Letter M. So M for monkey. Monkey. M for monkey. Now see, the next picture is, what is this, kids? Yes, he is a magician. Okay, so magician is also starting from letter M. So very first you have to circle the letter M, then speak with your ma'am. Magician. M for magician. M for magician. Okay, now see, wow, it's a very beautiful mouse. Okay, so mouse is also starting from letter M. So you have to circle this letter M. So M for mouse. M for mouse. Okay, so kids, this is your page number 40. Okay, now come to next page. This is page number 41. In this page, what you have to do? Very first you have to write here HW and today's date. Okay, now start your work. Trace and write. Okay, so which letter is this, kids? This is letter M. Okay, now see carefully how ma'am is making letter M. Like this you have to make. Okay, from this dot you have to make standing line down to up to down. Okay, then from this same dot you have to make slant line up to down, then stop here. Okay, and don't pick your pencil. Okay, then go up and make slant line like this. Okay, then hold your pencil here, then make one more standing line from here. Standing line. Okay, then you take out your pencil. Now again one more you have to trace from here. So from here you have to make standing line up to down, then stop here, then make one slant line from here. Okay, up to down, come down slowly and stop here, then hold your pencil here, then go up and make one more slant line like this, then stop here and make one more standing line, then pick your pencil. Okay, so like this you have to trace this all letter M. Now in next box kids, we have only single dot. Okay, so now see from single dot how to make letter M. Same, from this dot you have to make one standing line, stop. Okay, then start from this dot and make slant line like this, stop here, then go up and make standing line, slant line, and then make standing line, and then pick your pencil. Okay, see one more. From this dot you have to make standing line, stop here, then from here make slant line, stop here, don't pick your pencil, then go up and make slant line, and then from here you have to make standing line, stop here. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete the both lines. Okay, now see downside. What is this? Help the magician circle mushrooms which letter M object. Okay, so we have one picture here, and what is this? He is a magician. So what you have to do kids? We have some pictures on the mushrooms. Okay, so which things are starting from letter M? So you have to circle this. Okay, so let's start from here. Which picture is this? This is a mango, and mango is starting from letter M. M for mango. M for mango. So what you have to do? You have to circle this mango like this. Okay, so see what is the next picture? It's a banana. Okay, so banana is not starting from letter M, so you have to leave it. Now see the next picture. What is this? This is a milk bottle. Okay, what is this? This is a milk bottle. So milk is also starting from letter M. So you have to circle this milk bottle. Okay, now see the next picture. Yes, it's a mouse, and mouse is also starting from letter M. M for mouse. M for mouse. Okay, so you have to circle it. Okay, now see what is this? This is a apple, and apple is not starting from letter M, so you have to leave it. Okay, and now see the next picture. What is this kids? No idea? Kids, this is a mirror. Okay, we can see our face in this mirror. Okay, so mirror is also starting from letter M. Okay, M for mirror. M for mirror. So you have to circle this also. Okay, so like this kids, you have to complete this page and this page. Okay, this is your CW work and this is your homework. Okay, do your work with very good handwriting and do your homework with things which are start from letter M are M for magician, M for mirror, M for mushroom, M for mother, and